What can I do if I cannot receive my online parcel? If you're unable to receive your online parcel, here are some steps you can take to address the situation. Contact the carrier. Reach out to the shipping carrier or courier company responsible for the delivery. Provide them with your tracking number and inquire about the status of your parcel. Ask if any delivery attempts have been made and the reason for non-delivery. Check delivery status. Use the tracking number to check the online status of your parcel. Look for any delivery attempt details, delivery notes, or reasons for non-delivery. You can check your parcel status online from the official site or use the trackmypackage.net website for tracking purposes. Delivery instructions. Check if you provided specific delivery instructions when placing the order. Some carriers may follow special instructions, such as leaving the package with a neighbor or at a designated safe spot. Redelivery or pickup options. Check if the carrier provides options for redelivery. You can schedule a new delivery time that suits you. Some carriers also allow you to pick up the parcel at a local distribution center or partner location. Contact the seller, retailer. Reach out to the online retailer or seller from whom you made the purchase. They might have additional information about the delivery and can assist in resolving the issue. Verify shipping address. Double-check that the shipping address provided during the order is accurate. If there's an error, contact the carrier and the seller immediately to correct it. Check with neighbors. Inquire with your neighbors to see if they received your parcel by mistake or if the delivery person left it with them. Check mailbox or safe spots. Verify if the carrier left a delivery notice indicating the location of your parcel, e.g., mailbox, front porch, or a designated safe spot. File a complaint. If all else fails and you cannot locate your parcel, file a complaint with the carrier. Provide them with all relevant details and request assistance finding or replacing the missing parcel. Contact customer support. Reach out to the online retailer's customer support department. They can often initiate an investigation or guide the next steps. Remember, acting promptly is crucial to increase the chances of resolving the issue and locating your parcel. Always keep communication lines open with the carrier and the seller for the most effective resolution. So, follow these steps to find the status of your online parcel. Always remember this: check all your information, like your delivery address and safe spots, or confirm with your neighbor about your parcel delivery. You can easily find your parcel or shipment by focusing on these aspects.